Today, I'm going to show you how to get code from Framer. This is particularly useful when you need to export custom code snippets or components from your Framer projects to use elsewhere or share with your team. First, head over to your web browser and type in framer.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Framer account to access all your projects. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are displayed. Take a moment to locate the specific project you want to extract code from. This could be any active project you've been working on. Click on that project to open it up. This step is important because it gives you access to all the project-specific tools and assets you'll need for the next steps. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. This is where Framer organizes various project resources and settings. Look for the option labeled Assets and click on it. The Assets section is essentially your repository for all the different elements and resources tied to your project, including images, fonts, and importantly for us today, code snippets. After clicking Assets, keep your focus on that same left panel. You should now see a section specifically labeled Code. This is where Framer stores all the custom code components or snippets that are part of your project. In this particular example, you'll notice there are 3 code examples listed, which are Follow, Table of Contents, and Class. Your project might have different names depending on what code components you've created or added. Now simply click on any of these code snippets that you want to access. Let's say you click on Table of Contents. Once you do that, the full code will be displayed on your screen. You can now review the code to make sure it's exactly what you need. From here, you have the option to either copy the code directly to your clipboard for immediate use elsewhere, or you can download it if that option is available, depending on how you plan to implement it in your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and retrieved code from your Framer project. This process makes it incredibly easy to reuse components or share code snippets with collaborators. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.